The sea was very rough. It was sea at 6. Wind was almost 40 knots. It was not an easy task, but we have been trained, experienced for such incidents. Our people, the men and officers, actually fought against the nature and achieved what we can do today. But however, I should thank NAO for having a faith on Indian Coast Guard to asking our assistance. And we are really happy that today we are able to accomplish the mission in which we have been entrusted with.
I think, as I was telling you, I have no words to tell because we always go for this type of operation. Means all the time our scientists are going to the sea, whether it is monsoon or non-monsoon. But monsoon it become a little bit tough. But we were never expecting that this type of thing will happen and total engine blackout will be there. So when we got this news, we totally got scared. Entire NIO family was very scared. We are totally stressed. And since it was drifting in very different direction, I think everybody was just scared for the safety of the ship, safety of the equipment, and safety of our manpower, crew members, scientists, and everybody.